Hello, YouTube people, everyone. Hi. So, we've been recording little bits and clips and stuff like that of the shop update. I live in an apartment above my workshop. We're doing the best we can with what we've got, kind of thing, but we need more space to be able to do more fabrication type stuff and work on our trucks. And the winter is closing in quickly. We're June right now. We started this project a couple of weeks ago, and I'm hoping to have something to show you before the winter comes in. The mosquitoes are wicked, just absolutely in you. We got our Clearstone laid down. The idea behind this is that we're gonna have a base for concrete. I'm likely not gonna be able to afford the concrete like this year, probably. My brain is starting to lean towards like get the roof on and get the front covered and deal with the gravel floor for a little bit, because there's only so much money that's coming in, kind of thing, and there's only so much time to be able to make said money, kind of thing. So I can only spend so many days here working on this before I have to go back to work and keep the money flowing so that we can keep everybody paid. And yeah, we got 3/4 clear down, a 6-inch base. The idea is that we're gonna pour the concrete up to the bottom of the pieces. These are made of a C-channel, so it'll pour up to here and we'll come out a few inches, and then we'll have a drain all the way around. We've got our container here with the roof pieces on top, and our container over there with the roof pieces on top. They're landed, and then they're where they're supposed to be, and the concrete footers are poured. We still have to compact all of this. The fella I've been working with has said that it's 99% compacted just by laying it down, but that's not true. Dug down like 18 inches and put gravel pit run right off the property, which is pretty cool. We've been using the 20-ton Hitachi that we've been posting videos of fixing for the entire project. There's no contractors here. It's just me and a friend doing the best we can. I'm not claiming to be a construction guy. This is basically a temporary building for the most part. Like, there's nothing really permanent about this. So we're gonna throw our quonset hut on top. We're gonna go over here and probably cut a garage door in on the orange guy. And so the reason being behind that is that the orange guy will connect to the black one over there. Black one's already got a man door. These are all just going to be kind of like storage containers. The black one's insulated, and if you follow me over here, the red one's up close to it. So we'll connect into the orange one, go into the red one, and everything's a mess, but the red one's insulated, heated, and has a 60 amp service with the potential to run 90 amps to it. I ran an extra wire. We didn't run the extra phase, but it's there. It's, you know, it's ready to go, kind of thing. It's a little further back than I thought it would be, which is kind of good for the drive ability to get to diesel tanks and get to the rest of the shop. But yeah, we're gonna connect the orange one to the red one. You're gonna be able to walk in through the orange one. Orange one's gonna be straight material storage. Some of the most money I've ever made with the welding business has been just being able to have what people need when they need it. Even if it's just a small amount of material, you can charge a premium for it. And yeah, we're gonna do machining and storage in here. The blue one over there is gonna be straight cold storage. This container here is going to, right now is storing all of the materials for the quonset hut. So we're gonna have a door there, connecting the two together. If you go over there, we're gonna have a garage door so you can pull Kenworth or something like that through. The red container over there is gonna go on the back side. So the blue and the red will connect together. There'll be an opening between the red and the black. This will all be one big shop. So we can do machining and all that kind of stuff, and then pull through with the truck and trailer into the back, into the storage. There's going to be storage over there. We'll set up a front wall, the quonset hut, and eventually, and we're getting down the road here, but that beige container that's over there, that's a 40-foot high cube, like one tripper, is going to go on top of the black and the red container. And so the idea behind that is that there's going to be like a break room office type thing big, lots of space, couches, TVs, space to work and do the YouTubes and stay out of my house kind of thing, so that we have 700 square feet in my apartment, and as much as I like doing all the things up there, I really don't want my better half to leave me. So we're gonna build some space up top there to just kind of do the thing. We can make some coffees and do the you know, it snows 8 months of the year here, so we need somewhere that's warm and dry for the guys to hang out, for me to hang out, for us to send invoices and make YouTube videos and do the thing. We've gotten pretty far with this. I gotta go back to work, so we're gonna do a couple of weeks of work and then we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna use the Kenworth to put it up, use the lifting devices, use the cranes and all that kind of stuff. This is what we've got done so far, and again, not really huge on recording, my friends helping me kind of thing. Still getting over that, but the more people that get on board with this kind of thing, the more I'm into it, and the more that my friends will be into it kind of too as well. I hope this is a good update, and thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, concerns, you know, you don't think this is gonna work or whatever. I'd love to hear it. We've done the best we can with what we've got, but yeah, thanks for watching.